Okay, first we'll start with a little bit of oil on the bottom of our pan so we don't scorch the butter and garlic. Next, we'll add about 4 or 5 tablespoons of butter. I'll get that nice and melted up, so smooth and creamy. Next, I'll add about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. I can tell you, every time I do this garlic in this kitchen, it is just wow. I love that smell. This creamy, this creamy garlic white sauce that we're making, we're doing it for pizza, white pizzas, but it's a very versatile sauce. You can do this with fettuccine, you can do it with chicken, you can do it with put it on asparagus, you can put this on just about anything. Seafood like shrimp and lobster would be delicious tasting on those too. But like I said, we're making these for a white sauce. I'm also making more than I need to make so I can freeze it and have it for other times. So you can cut the directions in half if you wish just to make enough for the day. Next thing I'll do is I'll add 3 tablespoons of flour. I'll get that stirred in there and make my roux up good. Okay, once I've got my roux stirred up, now I have 3 cups of milk. I'm going to add about a cup and a half. I'm going to get that nice stirred in. Next, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt. Next, I'll add a tablespoon of pepper. Get that in there, stir it up real good. Now comes a key ingredient, some pizza seasoning. This jar of pizza seasoning packs a powerful taste bud punch, if you will. It is packed full of ingredients like onions, bell peppers, oregano, garlic, basil, but one of the top ones is fennel seasoning. And next I'll add a heaping tablespoon of Philadelphia cream cheese. Put that in there. We'll get that stirred up real good. Like, look at the thickness of this sauce. Now I'm going to add the rest of my milk. Get that stirred in there real good. Want to get the consistency just right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The star of the show that brings it all together. We have a cup of Parmesan cheese. Oh, that's so delicious. Get that stirred in there real good. Look at the consistency of this sauce. This is a wonderful, wonderful. I'm not just saying it. You really do truly got to try this sauce. When I first tried it, I was like, wow. That's why I'm making as much as I am. So I want you guys to look at this creaminess. Look at that. How can you resist not making that? Please, everybody, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the bottom if you wish. And check out our other videos. Stir the pot.